Lie down straight, keep a cushion or pillow below your knee and raise your leg as shown in the video. This is for beginners, so be careful when you're doing this. Your knee should not be lifted above the cushion, so the thigh is rested and only the lower part is being lifted. Do it for both the legs alternatively. Next is keep your knee straight and lift your leg to around 45 to 60 degree angle. Hold it for 5 seconds and do it for both the legs for a repetition of 10 movements. You're not supposed to bend your knee and lift it as was shown. Your knee should be straight and lift your legs up. Do this for both the legs. A repetition of 10 counts is good enough. Next exercise is bend your knees and bring it to a 90 degree position where your hip and knee are on 90 degrees. Hold it for 5 seconds and repeat it for both the legs. When you are bending the knee, remember that the knee part should be straight. It should not be as it was shown. It should be in this position, that is 90 degrees. Next exercise, keep your knees bent and raise the lower part as much as you can and bring it down. This also can be done for 10 to 12 repetitions. You can hold your knee at the end or not, that's up to you how you are comfortable with. Do it for both the legs alternatively. 10 to 12 repetitions is recommended. Next exercise is bringing your legs out and in, out and in. You have a top view for this. When you're bringing your leg out, your ankle should be facing up. That means the toes pointing to the ceiling. It should not be this way. It should be straight, up and sideways. And do it of course for both the legs alternatively. 10 to 12 repetitions is recommended. The same thing can be progressed to this exercise in side lying, but when you are in side lying, do take care of your neck. It should be straight. It should never be as seen. You either place your hand or place a pillow or a cushion so that the neck and the body angle is maintained straight. Now again, lift your leg up straight as is going to be shown. Knee straight. You can bend your lower leg and then lift this up and down. I don't want you to lift it too high, just along with the parallel to your body. Do not turn your leg and lift it. It should be straight. The toes facing forward. Not too high, just maintain that it is parallel to the ground. You can hold that for some time. Next exercise is bend your knees, keep it on the cushion as shown. Lower leg straight and lift it up straight. Again, toes pointing forward. You're not supposed to bend your knee and lift as shown. It should be straight and up. Next exercise, lie on your tummy and bend your knee as much as you can and straighten them. Be careful when you're bending your knee. Do not exert too much of force, you might get a cramp. Next exercise, keep this as position and lift your hip up. Remember that it should not be too bent and it should not be turning of the hip, it should be just lifting it up and down. Again, do it for both the legs alternatively. 10 to 12 repetitions is recommended. Your upper body should be straight, it should not be as shown, it should be straight on the ground, properly supported, and then you're supposed to do this, both the exercises. So take care of these and wish you happy exercising.